Damn, you been in the store all day. Yo, Tory, I'm about to get something to eat. What do you want?
I'm tryna get food from 7 locations, so don't have me waiting, don't drive me crazy. I got a lot on my mind, and I want a pizza with some blue cheese to dip it in. Can you get ice cream with some iced tea? Cause that combo magnificent. Patron for the night, please. Quesadilla with white cheese. Hope you listening. Not me criddles cause I'm different. I need some syrup to dip it in, sip it and drip it in. Till the shit get too messy, it's dripping, it's going both directions. Silly me. If you go get me some Wendy's and Popeyes and Dunkin' Donuts with some Krispy Kreme, maybe. The feeling of eating mid chickens with 20 bad bitches, man, I could do that on a daily.
I was in my bag, I had to get out.